Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about all are the components of epitympanum except in the epitympanum you will see body of incus, head of malleus and chorda tympani is seen. Foot plate of stapes is not seen in epitympanum. Foot plate of stapes is seen in mesotympanum. Prusac space is situated in epitympanum. Prusac space is the space lateral to the pars flaccida of tympanic membrane, and it is below the neck of the malleus, and also tympanomalleolar ligament will be there. Malleolar ligament, even below that there will be this Prusac space, and this Prusac space where there can be recurrence of the cholesteatoma. Tegmen separates the middle ear from middle ear cranial fossa and contains temporal lobe of the brain by roof of the middle ear. The tegmen will separate the middle ear from cranial fossa. So cranial fossa and the tegmen is separated by the roof of the middle ear cavity. Thank you, and thank you for watching.